Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. I hope I always video of Molly Love Kirti, another makeover video. As you guys saw in our last video, we did a
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, don't won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I see a real right now. Yes. You look into my eyes and I found what I believe. And nothing got it feel like the ceiling. Hey, cause I know I'm waiting for you. But from hurry or slowly, oh yeah. I'm moving so under. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make the winter twilight my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Even more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people of the body know we know. Want to be with you, call my name like ooh. Somebody else, and then it's you. Ooh, something with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something in the holes? You look into my eyes and I found what I'm feeling. Then nothing got a dream like the city night. Hey, come closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. More give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight.
and it was even
Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
to the wall, and of course, it turned out 10 times better. Anyways, alright, I'll let you guys just welcome me.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark, I won't get lost now. To the moonlight, I feel real right now. You look into my eyes and I found what I'm feeling. And nothing got it feel like the ceiling. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you. But from hurry or slowly, oh yeah. The moon's so under. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make the winter twilight my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Even more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people you're the body know we know. Want to be with you, call my name like ooh. Somebody else, and then it's you. Ooh, something with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and I found what I'm feeling. And nothing got a dream like the ceiling. Hey, come closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's slowly, oh yeah. The moonlight's so under. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way through twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Don't give me a hug, I want to talk. A dream like the moment, fantastic.
the mattress, and then top, it has two sides where you can unzip, and there's like a minky blanket on the inside, but you just unzip it and zip it to make the bed. I think you can zip it all the way down if you want to. I actually need to wash it.
So can we get one for our bed?
Yeah. Yeah, you can actually get them in all different kinds. It doesn't have to be just for bunk beds. Like you can just get it just, you know, in general, and then you just zip it back up, which is really awesome. And then it's okay, bud. And then that part is all around the mattress. We also did get her desk today, so that's going to go right here. We're going to put that together tomorrow.